Every bike has a story. Some bikes are replaced. Some bikes are forgotten. But some bikes become part of the journey. This bike is one of those. 5 years ago, I watched a mountain bike review. It changed how I look at bikes. I wasn't just looking for a bike. I was learning what made a bike feel different. Welcome to Underbiked Lab. This channel is about the relationship between rider and machine. Not just the newest bike, not just the most expensive parts, but understanding why certain bikes make us want to ride. Because when a bike starts to disappear, you stop thinking about the bike and you start thinking about the trail. At what point does a bike stop feeling like a machine and start feeling like it's part of you? When I first discovered the Ragley mmmbop, I was still learning. I was learning from riders who could explain why geometry mattered. Not just numbers on a chart, but how those numbers change the experience. That was when bikes became more than parts. They became art for learning. This bike has changed over time, not because the original bike was wrong, but because I got curious. Every modification was an experiment. What happens when I change this? Does it make the bike feel different? Does it make the bike feel more natural? The Z2 gives the bike a balance between capability and simplicity. Short cranks change how cornering feels and how I approach technical sections. The cockpit is about creating control and confidence, because confidence matters more than chasing numbers. And after all the changes, there was only one thing left to do.